All right, hey, Josh here with Attica Lumber Company. In this video, I want to show you this installation we did on this 60 by 100, 16 feet tall. If you found the journey, if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. But you can see on this installation that we did right here, 60 by 100, what we did in process here, it's a 4 feet section and it's a fiberglass installation, so heavy stuff. So if you're a one man doing this, well, it's gonna be tough. So you definitely want to have two people, but you can see this is a 4 foot section. See how we run that right up there. And then we put the steel liner panel right behind it. Now this building, as you can see, it's going to get wainscot as well. And why would you do interior wainscot on a building? Because really it's not so much, I guess it would be for aesthetics, but it's very easy to clean. Let's say, for example, if you hit a piece, and it seems like you always hit a piece, not always, but you hit something, it's a lot easier to switch out a 3 foot piece of metal than it is a sheet of metal. 12, 13 feet sheet of metal right here. You can see there, he's got privacy windows here on the eave. Here we use actually a silver line. It's an Anderson window, silver line. And then you can see he used 3-ply laminated columns, and we've talked about that before, versus a 6x6 or a 4x6 treated post. A 3-ply laminated column provides a true 30% stronger than a 6x6 post. It's got 3 different splice points on it. And bang for the budget, again, you can do concrete perma columns, wet set brackets, but a 3-ply, solid choice for a larger building, a 60 by 100, which this is. What he's gonna do, he's gonna section this off. We did the ceiling as well. What we did on this, we did an R25, the cellulose insulation, and then obviously backed it up with, the steel liner panel up top. So you can see what he's doing right here. We're gonna divide this. He's gonna stick frame this. You can see right down the middle there, about halfway in the building. Now for the doors that we use a masonite door. And if you're doing a building, again, a lot of these doors, you see entry doors are really, really cheap, and you don't want to go that route. If you're gonna build a building that costs some money, you just don't want to do that, because down the road, those doors rust and it really looks tacky. Galvanized nails right here. You can see we trim. See that galvanized nails right there on this, on the trim right here on the overhead door, on the interior. And this is a nice look to do. And we did actually over here as well. We did that as well. It's a nice set off there on the interior when you finish that off. It just aesthetically looks good. It looks clean. So you can see right here, grid windows, again, Anderson Silverline windows, masonite doors as well. I think detail is really important. The detail, obviously, you can move fast. Actually, this was a crew of 4. Obviously, they have equipment, and it was a 6-day build. Again, we don't get caught up in all time and all that. I mean, it's good, we want to move, but definitely comes down to quality. But you can see the detail here on this. So you want to move, make progress, but you also want to make sure things are flush. So that gives you an idea, and then also a little porch all set in the building right there. But if I go back here, there are snow guards on this roof. Again, it's a 29 gauge galvanized steel, 40-year warranty. You can see it's white with, I think it's a gray color, but maybe he's got a different one. But you can see he's got the snow guards up there as well. It's important to have 1 foot. I mean, overhang. Boy, you see buildings with no overhang. I don't know, just to my eye. Boy, when you don't do an overhang, it kind of looks. Boy, if you're gonna spend money, boy, overhang doesn't cost that much more. You save a little bit of money, but boy, it doesn't look the best, and so forth. So, there you go. And then also wainscot. Again, at wainscot on our buildings, doesn't cost any more. And we get that question quite a bit. Does wainscot cost more on the installation of your buildings? And no, it doesn't. Obviously, it's a little bit more labor, but obviously we have the process down. So, for more information, atticalumber.com. If you found the journey, if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and we'd love to hear your feedback. All right, Attica Lumber since 1925.